me a sec. What up, YouTube? Welcome back to today's video. Justin, say what up.
Yo, what's good?
Wedding day, wedding weekend. I just pulled up to this Verbo. Beautiful farm suite. We're gonna get inside. We're gonna say hi to everybody.
Yeah. Oh, what's good, vlog? It's nice to see you guys.
It's been a while.
It has been a while, dude. We need to go golfing again.
Yeah, it's been like 5 days since we golfed together. It's been way too long.
Vlog, I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. Oh, they haven't seen the stash yet.
Yeah, this is the stash review.
I know. Do you guys like the stash?
What up, Bree? It's been like a year. Justin, hello again. Said hi. Where's Al? Are you pushing one out? Okay, I'm gonna say what up to the vlog. Ooh. Ooh, the farmhouse suite vibe in the back. We got the the fire's over here, dog.
So
I got attacked because nobody locked this front door.
All right, Tom. Next day vibes. What are we doing?
We're going to our buddy's church that he moved up here with. So we're gonna go have a good day, have a good church service.
We're going to see Aaron. You guys remember from the bachelor party vlog where I surprised everybody? He was them. So that's what we're going to do. It's gonna be a great way to stay in shape.
We're back. We went to church. How was church?
It was actually really good. Really encountering the Lord, and worship was phenomenal. Everyone was very welcoming. We gotta go. I wanted Swedish fish, but
All right, let's see what the fellas are doing.
Yeah.
Now we're back in.
where's my dark chocolate?
I hear.
Woo!
Double shots.
Yeah, right now.
Car should
We're
be
almost ready for the wedding. 8 minutes late, and we're ironing the shirt. It's a great way to stay in shape. We're gonna be on time.
Hey, let's check this out.
Yo,
the man in the gray hat. The Rizzer. The Rizzer.
check.
Can I get the cooler and somebody's car?
Fitted.
We're late, and it's our second time we've had a wedding with this group of people, and we're late. So
3:11. Oh my gosh, we gotta go.
all right, we made it. 20 minutes to spare. Now we got to help with something, but we're gonna enjoy the ceremony, leave you guys here, and we'll check in.
Lauren and Andrew, woo! You're married
Lauren
now. That's
Andrew.
crazy.
Together, officially. You already know. Congratulations. Yo. Hey. Congrats.
Hey, but congrats to Lauren and Andrew. Beautiful ceremony, beautiful wedding. About to go to this reception, and it's gonna be a great time. And you guys have fun. We'll see you later.
Congrats, Lauren. Congrats, Andrew. We never knew this would happen. But no, I'm kidding. No, you guys are awesome, and it's gonna be a really fun wedding. We're about to go in the reception. We're gonna shut it down.
Shut it down. Break it down.
Yay! Congrats!
congrats, we love you so much.
You guys are so beautiful today. I'm gonna win cornhole for you guys.
Yep. Undefeated. Never lost.
No, I'm gonna beat him actually.
On my team.
It's going down basement. Here we go.
All right, vlog update. It's 10:11 p.m.
We have been going hard on the dance floor. Obviously kept the camera away. It's time to get on the floor.
Let's get involved.
save energy because I gotta drive. I'm driving an hour.
And after a long, successful night, it's 12:35. We all made it back.
Nailed it.
Everybody else from the squad's inside. We're tired. I'll see you tomorrow on the way back home. And just like that, the weekend is over. Shout out to the farmhouse hosting the second squad. A beautiful wedding yet again. Lauren, Andrew, thank you so much for having me, having the squad, letting us be hooligans. We love you all so much. We wish you a lifetime of happiness. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please drop that like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications, send the video to a friend. We got the Monday, Wednesday, Friday videos, with the Monday video being the podcast. You never want to miss the No Shot podcast. But most importantly, don't forget to have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number one. God bless. Let's go get blue.